Good morning, children. Today we are starting a new lesson, our lesson number 2. After seeing this picture, can you identify a lesson name? Name of a lesson? Yes, this is related to lungs. But can you give me an exact name? Yes, breathing, lungs, breathing, this all are related to our lesson number 2. Name of our lesson number 2. Let me introduce our lesson number 2, respiratory system. In this, we are going to learn about respiration and the respiratory system. Then second one, steps of respiration. Then third one, breathing rate and how blowing air can warm up or cool down things. Think. Hold your finger under your nose. What do you feel on your finger? In this picture you can see clearly this activity part. Right now you can also do this. Hold your finger under your nose, and what do you feel on your finger, children? Air. Yes? With the help of our nose we are taking oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. This comes under respiration. In remembering, let us find out what are the important points here. Have you ever noticed someone breathing? Have you ever noticed that someone's breathe? What does the person do? What does the person do? They take air inside and they release carbon dioxide. We also do the same. He or she breathes in and breathes out. So, he or she breathes in and breathes out. This continues throughout the day. Taking in oxygen for the air and giving out carbon dioxide is called respiration. So, air inside, carbon dioxide outside, this is called respiration. Got it, children? Respiration means what? Taking in oxygen. We are taking oxygen inside and releasing carbon dioxide. This is called as respiration. So now you are clear with the meaning of respiration. Now let us come for respiratory system. The organ system that helps in respiration is called respiratory system. So the organ system that helps in respiration is called respiratory system. What are the organs? Here we are going to find out. With the help of which organs we are taking air inside and releasing carbon dioxide, let us find out. This system has the following parts. So as we know, with the help of our nose we are taking air inside and releasing carbon dioxide. But once the air goes in, then what happens? How we are releasing carbon dioxide? Let us find out. A nose with a pair of opening called nostrils. So a nose with opening pair of called what? Nostrils. You can see here clearly. So now children, you are clear with the meaning of respiration and respiratory system. So now let us come for vocabulary. This will be your writing part in your CWs, and I always say whenever you write, read and write. It improves your handwriting as well as your spellings. So first one, oxygen, OXYGEN, oxygen. Then second one, organ system, ORGN, organ, SYSTEM, system. In this way you should read and write, children. The next one, carbon dioxide. Then again come for next, windpipe, lungs, rib cage, dome like. Then respiration, then respiratory system, then nostrils, then trachea, then sac like. These all are your important vocabulary words. Move for this. Whenever you start writing, read and write, and your activity part will be draw nose. Your activity is what? Draw a nose.